Hey guys, Kevin Blind Lake Mechanic. If you watched my last video, I showed you how to take the battery off a C10 pickup truck or a side post battery without using tools, so might as well come along. And if you've not seen that one, go back, dig through it on my channel and find it. It's a short, but back here on the 79 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck, got a new battery here. Installed this high performance racing Kevlar battery pickup. But again, there's no hood pop inside the truck, so I just locate this center rib on the hood, reach through the grill. There's a little handle there. You just depress it upwards. Well, raise your hood. Battery box is located on this truck, at least. On here on the passenger side, yeah, this one's pretty rotty. I need to replace that or address it. But you're gonna pick your battery up, lay your high performance racing handle, set it there on the core support, kind of figure out where I'm going, set it in there. And I do opt on these old side post vehicles to get a top or a battery that has side post and top post. So that's just something I do. That way it's a little bit easier to jump off. So, but the positive always comes with a plastic cap on it. That way you don't arc it out. But I'm gonna leave this one on the top post. I'm gonna take this one out of the side post here. And that's what it'll look like. Again, just keep stuff from arcing out. I'm gonna struggle to find my ratchet here that fell out of my pocket. All right, assistant.
I'm looking. Stand up for a second, honey. Oh, you lost it really good.
Deep grass.
Oh.
Oh, I
Still found it.
Okay. You can do this with a wrench. I opted for a ratchet, 5/16, 8mm. They're close enough that they're interchangeable. So I always hook the positive up first, because if you hook the ground up, well, I don't know which one you should hook up first. Anyways, this is the way I do it. Probably wrong. No, I don't know what's wrong or what's not, but just, no, this would be the right way, because if you hooked the ground up and then was going to hook this one up and touch the ratchet on something, it would arc out. So this is the right way. This is the Blind Lake Mechanic way. Okay, socket stuck on there. Alright, positive's done. Y'all let me know in the comments which one y'all hook up first, positive or negative. I've never arced one out, so don't guess it really matters. When you're good, you're good. So I've never arced one out. I have arced out an alternator. All right, you want to give it it's a German torque, just good and tight. It's highly scientifical. All right, there it is done. Oh, this doesn't have a battery hold down, because like you've seen in the last video, I lost it, but there it is, battery installed. Come back for the next video and I'll show cranking it with this battery.